New tool to the arsenal. Yeah.
Let's open this thing up. Like, this is the electrical cord here.
Me and Mom went to town today. She got her a new toy.
New toy.
She said, "Can I get a pressure washer?"
Dang.
Right, honey?
Electric.
Yeah, electric. The gas one gives her a fit cranking it up. So we got a Bauer 2000 PSI from Harbor Freight. Check this thing out. She was wanting to clean concrete, houses, porches. She loves running this pressure washer. So if she don't have to crank it, the better off we are. Woo, big boy.
There you go.
Packed wheels. And obviously we're not very good at that. If you look at the Yasma N10 video.
So, nice you can add soap in this if you really need to.
Oh, I'm going to add purple pie.
Called purple pie.
Yeah. So it says the wheel
Lord have
axle
mercy.
thing. This is where we always mess up. I'm just excited for this thing just to turn on.
Yep.
And I'm not dying trying to crank something.
Right.
And this better not leak right here. I'm assuming, oh, this is that cord. What about this cord? This electric
You just have to keep it out of your way.
Well, can it get wet?
It can get wet. You just don't want to pressure wash it.
How much
Yeah.
is in this thing? Cam said he wanted to try it first.
Some important note about pressure washers is you don't want to sit there and let it run without using the wand. So, I mean, the only time it needs to run is when you set the wand down or walk over there and turn it off. You don't need to sit idle.
Yeah, I didn't ever do that with the other one.
Okay, so if you're squeezing the handle, just keep it squeezed and then go over and turn it off. Just point it away from the machine, okay?
Okay.
So what's the first step? I turn this on and he has to make sure water's flowing? Or make sure water's flowing now?
You gotta make sure water's flowing.
Make sure water's flowing.
Before I press it.
Pull the squeezer. Yeah, it's gotta get flow.
It's gotta come through the hose.
Yep.
It's working.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna turn it on. Right? This
Correct.
is on? Oh, I'm nervous.
Feel
Turn it off. Turn it off. Like crap happened.
What's that?
I don't know. Pull the trigger. Did it have water coming out of it? You did that? Or no?
No, it kind of like stopped.
Uh,
Did it get somebody kink it or something?
No. The water's still on?
Is it on all the way?
Yeah.
Testing. Yeah, it's working pretty good.
What the heck is that?
I don't know.
I'm holding the trigger down.
Oh, it shuts off when you. It does it itself when you let off the trigger. You don't have to turn it off.
Oh.
Oh, that's what that was, wasn't it? But I was
Okay.
holding the trigger down,
I
so
don't think so.
I was hold it. I
I
think
got
I might
it
have.
off.
That keeps
I
it.
think it's a safety thing. I think it shuts itself
It
off.
does.
So you want me to turn it back on?
Yeah.
It's on.
Thank y'all for joining us on this little product review of the Bauer 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. It rolls up pretty nice. You have to detach the hoses to get it to roll up. This is some kind of, not real sure if I'm real pleased with this yet. The nozzles, comes with several nozzles, a soap nozzle, 40-degree angle, 25-degree angle, and a straight. We've been using the 40, or the 25, sorry. The soap bucket worked great. It's not using very much soap. It's got our concrete clean. I actually just got done blasting the 46-year-old John Deere tractor with it to get it cleaned up. I'll put that video up here. We're having to do a little maintenance. I want to show you how we keep a tractor alive for 46 years. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for some more shenanigans.